Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be playing Yeeesssss Simulator. So, okay, I'm back. Just had to do something. So, today I'm going to be trying to get the parachute. And I'm also going to be working on some more quests and stuff. Oh, baby love. Okay, Mantis. So right now I'm working on trail mix and pollen fetcher at the same time. I'm so close to finishing boot looting. I need more ability tokens though, which are annoying to get. Because you have to run all over the place. Not really that fast. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get the amazing parachutes. And I'll at least try to get one more bee type. I have 15 and discovered 40. What one do I have two of? I must have two of one of them, right? One, two. Oh, two looker bees. Of course I have two looker bees. So I'm going to be... So I will see you guys... Oh, baby love. Baby love, baby love. Baby loves me so I can get more honey stuff for free. Without... I don't know what I was going to say. Something about without blah blah blah. Wait. Okay. Update this thing. Okay, that's new. You used to just bump into it and boom, and go boom. So yeah. So I will see you guys when it's done, unless it's done already, which it isn't. See you soon. Okay, it has just turned to night time, so I am going to leave this place and search for some, what's it called? Yeah. Oh, what's it called? It's called a firefly. Wait, can I do this field? Yes. Perfect, except I'm not in the field right now. Yeah, so not perfect. And hello, little fireflies that have the exact same texture as the, what's it called, the gummy bee. Gummy bee and firefly has the exact same face. But they don't do the exact same thing, because gummy bee gives gumdrops and goo. Not moon charms. Where is he going? Over there? Okay. I will just follow you over there then. So, come over here. Get you and you and you and you. Oh, there's more over here as well. Wait, I seriously didn't get you. Come on, just get there. And then get another moon charm. How many moon charms do I have? I have 14. Right, you're leaving? Okay, bye. Right, oh, I think they went up there. Oh, baby love. Oh, pollen container full. So, how much honey do I have? Oh, I might be able to get in this video. I hope I can, because that'd be amazing. We'll just be able to go and parachute down to anywhere. I'll be able to parachute down to a new world jelly, which is that one right there, right there. You see it? Up there. So yeah, Here's my hive. Make honey, little bees. Do I have any royal jellies? Yes, it's hasty bee jelly. Don't need hasty bee jelly. Come on, my little bees. Yay! 5 more tickets. I just checked to see if I had, and I had. So I have 78. So that's enough to get me a golden egg. Should I do it? I think I'm going to do it. Mystery of the golden egg. The golden eggy part 2. Getting another golden eggy. Okay, your hive is a lot bigger than mine. Fairy tale 233 friend. So, your puppy bee is now back to 500 tickets, and I can buy you in 3, 2, 1, boom. So now I only have 28, but I have a golden egg. So let's see what mysteries this will hold. Please be something that I don't have. No! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I got Ninja Bee. Where are you? Look at you. I'm literally in shock. I am shocked bee. But I got Ninja Bee. Oh my goodness. Haste improvement plus. You are the best bee ever. Hello. You are amazing. So that is the highlight of the episode. I am just shocked. I can't even talk right now. So I am going to see you soon when I have probably completed the Rhino Beetle. Probably completed Pollen Feature 3. But just look at this amazing Ninja Bee. My friend Ethan, which you haven't seen before, he's like one of the only ones that watches my videos apart from Jack, and then maybe some other random YouTube or guys that watch me. But he used to have one of these, but then he was trying to feed him a treat, but he accidentally royal jellied him and he got a frosty bee, which haunts him, and he haunts me on my other account as well. Like, whatever I get, it is always just the frosty bee. And even like the star jelly that you can get in the game, I was like, what's it gonna be? It was a gifted frosty bee. Wow. See you soon. I always say see you soon, and then baby love just pops up in my face. See you soon. No. See you soon. No. Okay, guys, I'm going to see you. No. Ninja Bee. Hello. No, that's Bumblebee. Who cares about Bumblebee? Whack. Just die Bumblebee. No. Just die Bumblebee. Where's my amazing Ninja Bee? Oh, is he going to sleep? Okay. See you soon. Okay, so my backpack is full, as you can see. So, I'm going to shot in the cannon. Yeah! My beehive. I can't believe it, Ninja Bee. going to level you up right now with amazing treats. What? Is that me that's doing that? Probably is. And I'm pretty sure you like pineapples? No. Blueberries? No. Is it sunflowers or not strawberry? It must be sunflowers then. That you amazing bee loves. So I finished the quest and I'm going to get more honey, and I might be able to buy the glider. No, not the glider. Sorry, the glider's all the way up there. Not gonna get in this episode. Definitely not. But I might be able to get the parachute. Blah, blah, blah. 16 more quests. So close. And a royal jelly. Do you believe in luck? I do. Lucky landscaping. 100,000 from the clover. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. No. Oh, right. Clumsy me. So, I'm going to not do what Ethan did. I'm not going to do this. No. I pushed no. Not gonna do it. I'm going to put it on this guy and get a rascal bee. Of course I am. Of course I'm gonna get a rascal bee. But that does not matter because I have got Ninja Bee. Look at him, he's so fast unless he stops moving. Look at that, he's so fast. How much have I done for? No, it's Royal Jolly Jamboree. Where is it? Boot. None. Oh, that's collect those types of tokens. I thought it was feed the okay. So I guess I will just have to get some more honey, and I will see you probably when I've got enough honey, or at least I think I have enough honey so that I can or pollen, so I can empty my backpack and get enough honey. See you soon again. I keep saying see you soon. See you in a couple minutes. I'm pretty sure that I have enough to empty my backpack and get some, so I will go over here and get some, and I'll just fill up my backpack a bit more on the way by going a long way all through the whole field and do a little 360. My Ninja Bee. I love my Ninja Bee. Stop to get the honey. Stop to get this honey. I'm like when I just got it, I was in a state of shock. I was just like, okay, what's it gonna be? Boom, give it, put it down. It's a Ninja Bee. I'm still in a massive state of shock. So I will see you soon when I'm all the way up in the shop. Okay, so I am here. And this was going to be the highlight of the episode. But now, the highlight of the episode is obviously getting this guy here. But boom. Finally. So you basically just jump and then press jump again. And you can just glide. This might actually be slower than just walking. Kind of slows you down a bit, which I don't like. Because this is definitely not as good as the glider. But at least I have it. I can get another royal jelly. Wait, no, going the wrong way. Oh, and I can get this royal jelly up here as well. So I'm going to get this one first. Royal jelly. And then I'm going to go in here. The star hole. 1 gifted bee for this. 5 gifted bees. 10. 20. And 30. And behind here, ant pass. You found an ant pass. Glide all the way down here. Glide all the way down here. Glide all the way down here. And just glide off this way here. Wait, can I actually make it? Nope, I can't. So I'm going to get the amazing second royal jelly of the day. No, this is third because the other royal jelly was from the trusty, amazing black bear. No, of course I thought black bear's touch. Oh yeah, that's for a secret code called connoisseur. Because black bear is a connoisseur of honey. He loves honey so much that he is a honey connoisseur. Ah, don't fall off again. Oh, for a second I thought I was going to fall off again. What? Why aren't I moving? Oh, come on, why are you being so laggy? Okay, this is hopeless. I'm gonna drop down in 3, 2, 1, drop. Right, drop. Yes! We found another royal jelly. How long has this episode been? 17 minutes. Wait, where's my parachute didn't even show up. So I have 2 new royal jellies to test out on this annoying one that will never be a new type. Use another, but at least he's an epic. At least he's an epic. So I don't really know what else I can do for this episode. I guess I can feed treats to my bees and finish off that quest over there for the bear of the mother bear. So that's 1 treat. That's 1 treat. Wait, there's not a treat? Oh, it means other treats. Okay. And also on my other account, I'm super excited because I'm close to getting the photon bee. On my other account, I have this guy from 250, so it's like a first edition one. I've bought one of these before. I've got a cobalt bee. I have enough for a crimson bee, but I don't want to get because I want to get photon bee. I don't have gummy bee, and I have tappy bee. So I think this might be it for the video. Is there anything else I can do? All I can think of is doing the quest for a polar bear. So I can guess this video off by finishing the quest for polar bear. So see you soon when it is done. Well, I know that pretty much defeats the purpose of it being longer if I'm just going to cut it. So I'm going to still add this in. Get all these boosts. Get the thing that boosts everything. Oh, right. Yes, got it. Get the focus eye thing. Speed. More things. Oh, there's a thing over here. Seeds, sunflower seeds. get this. Okay, so I think I might just see you soon when it is done. Oh, another one. See you soon when it's done. Okay, so this is going to take a lot longer than I thought. So I'm just going to kill a couple of mobs, like the werewolf, the scorpions. Oh, wait. Wait, is it discovered? Or get that many? Because I've discovered 15 and I have 16. Hopefully it's just get 16. Because then that means I'll be able to use the blue cannon. Oh, I hate werewolf. Especially in this account when I'm not as good at fighting. Wait, but Ninja B's quite good at fighting. Yes, Ninja B. Take him down, Ninja B. Take him down. Take him down. Hello. Ah. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No, no, just get away from me. Get him. Get him. Get him. Kill him. I'm scared. This is going to be the only video today because it's getting quite late. So just kill him, werewolf, kill him. Kill him. I'm going to go out. Oh no, I might die. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I'm definitely going to die. Come on, kill him. Okay, this is ridiculous. I'll see you back when I kill him. Okay, so for some reason this is taking a lot quicker than before. Because, like, I just started the video, killing him like 5 seconds ago. And he is already dead. Okay, that was worth it. I got a lot of things. Kill the mantises. Maybe they're too strong. Wait, no. Look at me, is level 5. Kill him. Is he too strong for you? Just kill him. So he is down. I will visit the scorpions. And then I'll go back up there and use the blue cannon if I can. Still haven't checked if I can or not. For some reason I think that the scorpions are the cutest evil mob in the game. Out of all the mobs, I kind of like the scorpions. They look funny and cute. I don't know why. They just do. Okay, why is the scorpion taking longer? Yeah, he is down. Oh, royal jelly dispenser thing. Wait, no, it's not a royal jelly. It is royal jelly, but like you have to buy it. Pay for it. I won't do that. Why would I waste my 200,000 honey on one royal jelly? So yeah, just discover that many. Okay, so I'm going to end it off here, right here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Where's Ninja B? Goodbye.